In Java, operators are used to do different operations in variables and values, such as addition, multiplication, subtraction, and many more. So in Java has categorized operators as arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, and bitwise operators. So let's see these in detail. Arithmetic operators in Java includes the mathematical calculation operators that we use in our day, such as we do have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and we do have this one is something extra that you might not know, which is plus plus, which will add the increment by 1. Let's say if you have value 1, if you use this symbol, then it will add every time with 1. Similarly, we do have minus minus. What it does is it will just decrement the value that you have by -1 every time you use this operator. So let's say if you have 5, if you use this operator, it will become 4, and again if you use this operator, it will become 3. Let's see this in action in Eclipse. Let me use the simple test class with a main method. So inside a main method, I'm going to declare a variable called salary. Let me give a type as int and variable name as salary. So let's say a salary is 12,000 US dollar. I'll just give a semicolon at the end. So here the salary variable. So what we can do as a arithmetic operator is you can add this value. Let's say I would like to add the salary by 3,000. So this is how you can use the arithmetic operator in the value itself. So it will get the salary will be 15,000 now, or even not only the values and values for the addition, or over here you can use anything, subtraction, multiplication, right, anything. So let's say it's not only values and values, it can be added for the values plus variable. Let me show you this. So let's say int tax is 1400 US dollar. So let's say the person is paying 1400, and if you would like to have a net salary, which will be, let's say, let me give a variable name called net salary here, and let's say net salary will be, as you can see here, you can use this variable name salary minus, let me complete with semicolon. So as you can see here, the net salary is subtracted from the salary, whatever the salary is earned, minus the tax deducted. So in this way you can use different kind of arithmetic operators, as we said, like add, subtract, multiplication, divide. So let me go ahead and print this one to show you this in action. So for the shortcut for system.out.println, you can press S-O-U-T and you can press Control space, which will give you system.out.println, and over here I'm going to print the net salary. So let me run the code here. So as you can see here, it says 13,600. The salary will be 15,000, and then after 15,000, 1,400 is deducted. So that's how the net salary is calculated. So in this way, what we learned is the arithmetic operators such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division can be used between values as well as values and variable as well. So let's say over here, instead of tax, I can say deduct 2,000, right? So let's see this in result. As you can see here, so from 15,000, 2,000 is deducted and the net salary will be 13,000. So this is how you can use addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus between the values as well as the variable and values. Let me go ahead and clear this out just to make it more easy to understand. So with regards to, as you can see here, we do have a variable tax which is 1400, and let's go ahead and print it first. As you can see here, as soon as I run the code, it says like 1400, right, whenever I print the tax. So let's use this plus plus operator here and see what it does now. So let me go ahead and run the same code now. As you can see here, it says now the tax has been assigned with a value 1401. So that means this plus plus operator, what it does is it will just increment the value whatever it has by 1. So similarly, let's go ahead and use minus minus and see. So as of now, as you can see here, the value has been assigned with 1400, and as soon as it comes here, it should decrement, right? The minus minus means decrement by 1, so it should say 1399. Let's see if it does the same. Okay, you can see that it says 1399. So basically what you can understand with minus minus and plus plus is it is just an increment or decrement by 1. So this is something that will be very highly popular when you use loop, which will be coming in the next session.